Come with me on day 4 of learning chainsaw carving. Today we're going to be using the Duracast 8000 Bernzomatic, and this is going to allow me to color eyebrows, as my kids used to call them, mustache, beard, parts of the hair, and then I'm going to leave some spaces in between some of his hair so that I could paint it yellow so he's like a sun dude. But anyways, let's get started. That's it. Flammable. Tighty tighty. That was easy. I didn't even have to read instructions. Alright, let's get started, shall we? A little aggressive. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. Look at that! It's smoking. I remembered. Here's my little brush. I like my lungs and my respiratory system, so let's go. Any music? Seriously? I put too much heat. Don't do that. Hey, put it up. I know what you're thinking. It's a plastic table. It's not my dinner table. I'm manscaping. I think that's what they call it on the eyebrows. I'm going to try to do the eyes, see what I can do with that. Okay, that looks pretty cool. He had a long night. I think I'm going to darken the sides of his head just to add more depth. That's gonna be it for today. Oops. He's got some color. He's looking good. I still think I want to give him like the highlight in between. What do you think? Should I do it? Maybe a little blush. Maybe a beauty mark. Nose piercing. Eyebrow piercing. Ooh, look at that. I found a reason to use dual capture. Would you look at me? The guy? So I wanted to show this in just regular garage lighting and bright light. better that way. I can't wait to see him in like regular daylight. Falling in love. That concludes this episode. So follow me for more to go on to day 5 of Athena learning chainsaw carving and finishing. Bye!